General Mortise Maintenance for Samsung Smart Door Lock. Dear homeowner, to take care of your Samsung Smart Door Lock, please spray WD-40 to lubricant the Mortise so that it can work better and longer. Please follow the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Push latch to one side. Step 2. Insert the WD-40 stick deep in, and spray. Step 3. Spray on the deadbolt. Step 4. Pull the back handle hard and fast few times. Step 5. Locking and unlocking for few times. Always remember, use 4 new AA alkaline batteries for replacement when battery is low. Thank you for using Samsung Smart Door Lock.